Hello and welcome to a very sunny and sweet adventure. Today, we are going to explore the amazing world of orange plants. Have you ever eaten a bright, round orange? They are so juicy and delicious, like a little ball of sunshine you can hold in your hand. Oranges are one of the most popular fruits all around the globe. They are packed with good things that help keep our bodies healthy and strong. But have you ever wondered where these fantastic fruits come from? They don't just appear in the shops. They grow on special trees. Their story is truly fascinating. Let's get our explorer hats on because we are about to discover all the secrets of the orange plant. We will learn how a tiny seed can grow into a big, strong tree. We will learn how a tiny seed can grow into a big, strong tree. We will see what the leaves look like. We will see what the flowers look like. We will find out why the fruit is so colorful and tasty. Orange plants are part of a wonderful natural cycle. They need lots of sunshine, they need water, they need care. So get ready to learn some amazing facts and see some beautiful sights on our journey today. Oranges bring a little bit of summer to us, no matter the time of year. When you peel an orange, that fresh, zesty smell makes you feel happy and full of energy. It reminds many people of warm days and happy memories. These fruits are not just a tasty snack, they are a big part of breakfasts, lunches, special holiday meals. From the juice we drink in the morning to the zest we put in our cakes, oranges are incredibly versatile. They are truly a gift from nature, full of sweetness and goodness. Our journey today will be like walking through a magical, sunny garden. We will uncover the step-by-step process of how an orange comes to be. It starts very small and ends with something we can all enjoy. It's a story of patience, growth, and the incredible power of nature. By the end, you'll look at an orange in a whole new way. Are you ready? Let's begin our exciting discovery of the secrets of orange plants. It is going to be so much fun. Imagine we are standing at the entrance to a beautiful big garden. This isn't just any garden, it's an orange orchard. An orchard is a special place where lots of fruit trees are grown together. As we step inside, the first thing you notice is the amazing smell. Sweet flowers, fresh leaves, the zesty scent of oranges. The air feels warm and is filled with the gentle buzzing of happy bees flying from flower to flower. Every single big orange tree, full of juicy fruit, starts its life as something very, very small. What is it? It's a tiny seed. Have you ever found little white seeds inside an orange slice? That's where the whole amazing story begins. An orange seed is like a tiny sleeping plant, holding all the instructions it needs to grow into a huge tree. It has a tough outer coat to protect the little plant embryo inside. This seed needs a perfect place to wake up and start growing. It needs a home in warm, moist soil to get nutrients for its big journey ahead. So, what happens when we plant an orange seed? First, the seed soaks up water from the soil, like a long, refreshing drink. That water tells the seed it's time to wake up. This process is called germination. Slowly, the seed coat splits open. A tiny root, the radicle, starts to push out. The radicle grows downwards, deeper into the soil. It anchors the new plant. It also absorbs water and food to help the plant grow strong. Then something magical happens. A tiny shoot, the plumule, grows upwards towards sunlight. It's pale at first from being underground. It pushes hard to break the surface. When it pops into the air and feels the sun, it turns green. This tiny green sprout is the very beginning of our orange tree. Small and delicate, but full of life and promise. Once our little orange sprout has poked its head out of the soil, its real adventure of growing tall begins. Now that it can feel the sunshine, it will start to make its own food. This amazing process is called photosynthesis. This food gives the young plant all the energy it needs to grow bigger and stronger every day. The sprout will slowly grow more leaves, and its stem will become thicker and tougher. The tree is building its strong frame, getting ready for the day it will be big enough to hold the weight of all its leaves, and eventually its heavy, juicy fruits. A fully grown orange tree is a magnificent sight. The journey from a tiny sprout to a tall, fruit-bearing tree is a long one, but it shows the incredible strength and patience of nature. Before an orange tree can grow any fruit, it must first produce something very beautiful: flowers. In the springtime, the orange tree covers itself in clusters of blossoms, small, delicate white blossoms. These flowers have a truly wonderful and powerful fragrance. The smell is so sweet and lovely that it fills the entire orchard and can be noticed from far away. They have a very important job to do. They act as a big invitation to insects, especially bees. The bees are attracted to the flowers because they can find a sweet liquid called nectar inside, which they use to make honey. When a bee visits an orange blossom to drink the nectar, it gets dusted with the yellow pollen. Then, when the bee flies to another flower on the same tree, some of the pollen rubs off onto the pistil. This process is called pollination, and it is absolutely essential. It's like the flower is getting a special message that tells it to start making a seed and growing a fruit. After a flower has been pollinated, its job is done. The beautiful white petals will fall off the branch, showering the ground below like gentle confetti. It means that the pollination was successful. It will slowly grow into a big, round, juicy orange. Let's take a closer look at all the different parts that make up a wonderful orange tree. Hidden under the ground are the roots. The roots are like the tree's straws, sucking up water and important nutrients. Next, we have the trunk. It is covered in brownish-gray bark, protecting the inside of the tree. Inside the trunk are tiny tubes that act like a plumbing system. Spreading out from the trunk are the branches and twigs. The leaves are a beautiful, glossy, dark green. They are oval-shaped with a pointy tip. They are like tiny solar panels, catching the sun and turning it into food. Finally, we have the most famous parts, the flowers and the fruits. As they ripen under the sun, their skin changes from green to bright orange. Each part of the orange tree works together in perfect harmony, from the hidden roots to the shiny fruit, creating the amazing plant that gives us one of our favorite treats. Now that we know so much about how orange plants grow, let's learn some super fun and interesting facts about the oranges themselves. Did you know that the color orange was actually named after the fruit? It's true. Here's another cool fact. Oranges are actually a type of berry. In botany, a berry grows from a single flower's ovary and has its seeds on the inside. Oranges fit this perfectly. Have you noticed oranges are easiest to find in shops during winter? That's why oranges are part of many winter holiday traditions. And what about the different kinds of oranges? There isn't just one type, there are many varieties. Navel oranges have a little belly button and are usually seedless. Then there are blood oranges, which have a surprising reddish color inside and a taste that is a little like raspberry. Oranges are one of the most useful and versatile fruits in the world, and people have found so many clever ways to enjoy them. The most popular way to use oranges is, of course, to make orange juice. All around the globe, millions of people start their day with a refreshing glass of orange juice. Or we can even squeeze them ourselves at home with a simple juicer for a super fresh taste. Of course, we also love to eat oranges just as they are. Peeling away the skin to reveal the bright, juicy segments inside is so satisfying. And the zest, the grated outer peel, to add amazing flavor to all sorts of dishes. Orange zest can make cakes. Orange slices can also be used to make a sweet jam called marmalade, which is delicious on toast. But the uses for oranges don't stop with food. The wonderful smell of oranges is used in many other products. Scented candles. It is also used in many cleaning products because its natural oils can help to cut through grease and grime. In the garden, orange peels can be added to a compost pile, where they break down and add nutrients back into the soil to help other plants grow. So, we have been on an incredible journey through the sunny world of orange plants. We started with a tiny, sleeping seed. We watched it sprout. We watched it grow into a magnificent tree. We saw its beautiful white blossoms, to a bright, juicy orange. These plants are not just beautiful, they're important to people and nature. A source of delicious food, amazing fragrances, natural beauty, all work together. Next time you hold a bright orange, think of its journey. Remember the sunny orchard, the beautiful blossoms, the amazing tree. Orange plants are one of nature's most wonderful creations.